Hi beauties, so welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. If this is your first time here, my name is Liza and thank you so much for hitting the play button and spending a few minutes of your day with me. So, okay you guys, I was supposed to bring you my birthday dinner video thing at the Sugar Factory on, I believe it was last Sunday, but unfortunately I had some editing issues and it just didn't go the way that I wanted it to go. And as well, it was really short, like literally it was 5 minutes, and I was like, I don't want to give my subscribers a 5-minute video on my birthday. Like, I want to share a little bit more with them, with how I spent my day and my weekend with my family. So I was just like, let me reshoot the intro, let me redo everything, and let me make this work for you guys. So I'm talking about my birthday weekend in this one, and here it is. So the first thing I want to mention is that I was blessed with a pretty chill weekend for my birthday. Like, I had the whole weekend off, thank you Lord Jesus, and for my time being approved at work. And then I decided again to go to the Sugar Factory with my family. So I usually just go with like a friend or my best friend or whatever, but this time there was more people involved and I was really blessed. So I was excited to go. I'm just going to show you like 1 or 2 things that I got for my birthday and just mentioned what I did. And then towards the ending of the video, you'll see clippets and snippets of us at the Sugar Factory and how everything went. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So the first thing I'm going to mention is my mom knew that I needed like a handheld mirror. Like, I have one, but on the other side, there's like another mirror that's like magnified 10 times. And it didn't look right on camera for me. So I was just mentioning that I wanted one, and I was just like, oh my gosh mom, look at this one. And I just fell in love with this mirror because it's in the shape of a star. Nobody judge. I have a star tattoo on my foot. I just always really love stars. So I found this Jeffree Star handheld mirror online, and I really fell in love with it. The first time I saw it, it was in my favorite color. They had them in my favorite color, but it was sold out. But then I fell in love with the red one. So she was like, yeah, get it. So I was like, okay, cool. So my mom got this handheld mirror for me, and I'm really excited to use it, guys. It's so pretty. It's nice and sleek, and it's just like the perfect size. Like, I really like it. So the other thing that I was blessed with was my BFF gave me one of these tumblers. And I've never had one of these before. She knows me well. It's in my favorite color. It's by Arctic, and it's supposed to keep ice, like ice, 24 hours. Like, it's not supposed to melt down or anything. It's supposed to keep it nice and like vacuum sealed and closed, and keep the ice for 24 hours. And it's supposed to also keep anything that you put hot in here up to 6 hours hot. So I'm excited to put this to the test and see how it works. Like, it's stainless steel, it's no sweat exterior. I know a lot of people use these and love them, but by different kind of brands. But I've never had one, so I'm really excited to try it and use it. I also got a nice pedicure for my birthday. I got some candles. I got a couple of other stuff. And yeah, I was really blessed, you guys, for my birthday. So I don't need, like, what else do I need to tell you guys? Oh, I'm trying on some new stuff that I bought from like the VIB sale at Sephora. Yeah, I'll give you an update on that in another video, because I'm already like not liking something that I have on, and I'm just like, okay, let's see how this goes. But yeah, you guys, so that was pretty much it. My mom also got me a balloon and a cake, and I made dinner. I made lasagna for my birthday, and it was really good. I was trying out that new Barilla. I mean, I'm always joking about this like the whole time, but that new Barilla lasagna shell that you don't need to boil, and you just make the lasagna and it's like oven ready, and then it cooks itself in the oven. Yeah, I tried that out. For the most part, I want to say it worked out. The lasagna came out really good, but then like if you don't put sauce on the entire surrounding of it, the edges of the shell itself won't tend to cook and it'll stay crunchy. So lesson learned, you know, you you try out new things and then you learn what you got to do in the next one. So it was really, really good. But next time I'm just going to throw sauce on the whole thing. So what else? And I have my cousin here, Nancy. You'll see her in the clips in the Sugar Factory. One of my really, really good, my makeup sister. I call her my makeup sister, Emily, because she, like, we die over makeup. We both are obsessed with makeup. We're always talking about it. We're always seeing what the new releases are, when they're coming out, what are we gonna get, what are we not gonna get, so stuff like that. So yeah, she blessed me with being with us for my birthday as well, and she made it just in time. So you guys, after this, you'll see snippets and clippets of us just getting to the Sugar Factory and having our dinner, drinks, and all of that stuff. It's really, really short. I hope you don't mind. I always try to keep my videos under 15 minutes just so it's like, it gets out of like hand and it's too long and then you guys get bored. I don't want to do that to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this one, and I'm happy to, you know, share what I was blessed with for my birthday. So please don't forget to subscribe, you guys. I love you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed seeing snippets of us having dinner at Sugar Factory for my birthday. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to go to, they're moving to Washington. So I'm going to go check them out.
The Eye in Orlando. And we are coming up to the Sugar Factory, you guys. So excited. This is my second time coming for my birthday. Came here last year, but I'm excited. My mom is with me for the first time and my cousin visiting from New York. So here we go, guys. Guys, we are here and we are about to get our drinks. So excited. Look at my mom's face. She has no idea, you guys, what she just ordered. So watch it. Sweet Emily just got here. So excited, BFF, cousin. My mom is about to get lit, you guys. I think our drive home. Thank you. Berry bliss, berry bliss. We got our food. Got the big cheesy. I might do this for tomorrow's video. Oh, haha, you just called me talking. Sorry, guys. My mom is still working on her drink. You guys, I am totally lit. Like, I can't even. My dish is really messy. Hi, Emily. She's still working on hers. And my cousin decided to get a shake. Look at that thing. They're gonna have a diabetic coma. There, she can't even swallow it. Look at it. Look at it. She's struggling right now, y'all. Mom, say hi to my YouTubers. She be bugging.